What is a brand gladiator? I'm sure you're thinking of a Spartan and something intense, and that's why we named it that. It's really, really important you do it. Now, why is brand gladiator so important? Take your brand and your business to that next level. What's up guys, this is John here, CEO of Adapting Social. I'm excited to announce that we're going to be monthly sending out some content about things that you could be doing to take your brand and your business to that next level. So today we're gonna start with the most important one, which is our first one, and that is brand gladiators.
My name is Gladiator.
And building brand gladiators around you and your business. What is a brand gladiator? I'm sure you're thinking of a Spartan and something intense, and that's why we named it that, because it's actually technically supposed to be that. Somebody who's gonna be fierce and somebody who is going to be there to make sure that every time you post something on your Facebook, on your Instagram, on your LinkedIn, on your TikTok, on Threads, on X, on all these different places, that you have at least, and we'll go through that a little bit later, but that you have, let's just say, one person right now who commits to you and says, hey, Joe, Jane, anytime you post, I will like it, I'll comment on it, I will share it, and I will support you and get that message out there. What we typically like to do with brand gladiators is we like to have 3 different categories. You have your family, those are the non-negotiables. Your brothers, sisters, mothers, aunts, uncles, goldfish, pets, those people should, no matter what, be doing this, okay? So those are the non-negotiables. So as many people in your family as you can get. We typically like to say the rule of thumb should be at least 10. So 10 people who are every time you post, like, share, comment. The second category are your friends.
You're my special friend.
So obviously you have 10 good friends of yours and you say the same thing. Hey, I'm trying to grow my brand, I'm trying to build my business, I'm trying to get more eyeballs on what I'm doing. Can you please like, share, and comment anytime you see me post? You're gonna also ask your friends and family definitely to turn on post notifications. So that means that every time you post, they're gonna get an alert on their phone that says, hey, Joe or Jane posted, right? So that's helping them not forget or get lost in their feeds. The third category is going to be what we call, your either business colleagues or people you know that you're like friends of friends or people you maybe do business with, right? So let's just say colleague. So the third category, those colleagues you're gonna reach out to, same concept. But the difference is with the colleagues, because typically they'll own businesses or they're in some sort of world where they need more exposure or business too. So then that's where you're kind of like giving them something back in return. You say, hey, listen, I'm looking for you to be a brand gladiator. Can you be one for me? And so we'll help each other out. The same way that you're asking them to like, share, and comment, you're gonna do the same for them every time. Now, why is brand gladiator so important? And why has it been so successful for a lot of our clients and us over the years? Is because it develops a way for you to get warm leads into your business and for people just to see who you are, right? So it's branding, people know who you are. Second, get warm leads. Perfect example. Now at Adapting Social, when we've done this historically over the years, we've had people, team members that have, shared, commented, liked, posted the whole thing. We've gotten clients from it because they said, oh, hey, I didn't know that you worked at a marketing company. I need a new website, right? So that's extremely helpful. Now they're like, if you work there, I'm willing to work with them then because I'll trust them. Another example could be, we've heard of restaurants doing this. Oh, the servers are posting, families posting, friends are posting. Oh, I didn't realize that this person owned it, or I didn't realize that they were in this industry. I have a catering event coming up. Do they cater? It just opens up the door inside of your network to places and to people you wouldn't reach otherwise. So again, now when you think about this is where I get really excited outside of those 2 things, is that when you look at it, it's an organic way to not just spend a ton of money, but to get in front of thousands of people. So on average, most people have 200 to 500 followers on Instagram, just as an example. If you have 10 family members, 10 friends, and 10 colleagues doing this, that means there's 30. If you average that out and do 30 times 500, you're in front of a lot of people that you're not even paying to do anything, right? So you're getting new business, you're getting new eyeballs, and you're getting all this stuff on in front of you just for asking a simple question and asking for a commitment. And don't get me wrong, it is a commitment. Being a small business owner is no easy feat. So when you're going out and you're asking these questions of your family, friends, and your colleagues, it's really, really important you do it with a serious and true grateful tone, because at the end of the day, these people are gonna help you grow your brand and also build more customers in the door for you. So at the end of the day, this is the first one of our series here to help out our clients in doing things outside that can help build their brand and grow their business. If you have more questions on Brand Gladiator, reach out to us. We're here for you. We can help you how to execute it. But all in all, guys, we'll see you soon.